Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a blog page on a Squarespace website in 2024. Of course, whether you're trying or you're starting out a personal blog, maybe as an example a business blog, or also something in between. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up and start as an example posting on a blog page of your creation. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, once you use that or once you open that, just go to the URL section. Here, make sure to type squarespace.com. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. Here, make sure to click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on create an account. And as you can see, you can use a Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you have one of those. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you would find yourself here on the account dashboard. Make sure to select the site that you want to add or that you want to add the page or the blog page into. For me, as an example, I have this only site. For you, if you have multiple sites, choose the specific one that you want to add the blog page on. If you don't have any site, you can simply just go here and click on create a website to create a new website for you. Of course, if you need some help, I've already made videos about that. You can go and check them out. You can even create some websites using AI if you want to. It's actually very helpful for creating a site, especially if you are a clueless beginner. So for me, as an example, I'll just go and access this site specifically, and we're going to try to add the new blog page. So here, as an example, this is my website. I can go here and click on edits and customize the experience of my visitors however you want, from colors, text, font, to whatever I want. But for us, we'll go to this list panel as an example and click on pages in here. Here, we'll find ourselves with main navigation and not linked. So first of all, if you want to add your blog page and you want it to be appearing in the main navigation, which is this place in here, when people enter the site, as an example, they will find the blog option, and when you click on it, they'll be taken to blog. Make sure to click on plus button here on the main navigation. If you don't want it to be linked to anything, as an example, you don't want it to be found in the main navigation, you can simply just click on this plus button on its not linked pages. For me, as an example, I want it to appear in the main navigation, so I'll just go here and click on the plus button. As you can see, you have here multiple options: blank page, page layout, scheduling, and for collections example, we'll find blog, which is what we want. And as you can see, you have multiple options other than blog if you want to add any of them. Like you have store, portfolio, events, videos, course, member sites, drop down, or link. For me, I'll just go here and choose blog, as simple as that. And as you can see, I have multiple choices to choose from a specific blog. So as an example for me, I like this option, so I'll just go and click on it. Once I click on it, as you can see, they'll tell me to give it a name or a title. For me, I'll just name it as simple as blog and keep it that way. So once I hit the enter button, as you can see, I'll be taken to that specific blog page right away. So on the left panel, you'll find pricing plans if you want to add any pricing plans for that blog page. And as you can see, you'll be able to monetize your blog with a pricing plan. You can create a pricing plan to place your blog behind a paywall. And you can, of course, also use pricing plan to bundle this blog with other digital products. So if you have, as an example, a pricing plan already, you can simply just go and click on create or add to existing as an example. But for me, I don't have, so you will have to go and click on create a pricing plan. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll have to fill up all the information about the pricing plan that you're intended to add. From name to description to benefits included, also the pricing. Of course, anything optional, you don't have to fill it up, but it's actually more better to, or it's actually much better to include it. Why? So people can understand what's the bundle they're getting, especially if you have multiple choices. So also the pricing, as we said, if it's a fixed amount or subscription or free, as an example, maybe you have a free bundle for a specific option. And yeah, Other than that, of course, any included products you want to add, maybe with the blog, it can come with the digital products, maybe a sticker or something like that. And also sign up limits if you want to add any. As you can see, enrollment date, limited dates, that sign up is available. As an example, you can choose start dates that will start from, as an example, until the end dates, as an example, maybe later on November. Of course, if you don't want this, you can click on clear or disable it. So once you do so, click on create and it should be good to go. For me, I'm not going to create that. Other than that, you can simply from here see the blog overview. Any changes that you make in the blog content will appear here in the blog overview. So as you can see, this is what comes with the template that I chose once I added a blog page. Of course, if you change anything in the blog content, so just go and click on that, it will appear here. Just keep that in mind. So as an example, here we have 4 blogs. I'll just go and delete all, or I'll just leave one. Why not? I'll delete all those, like 3. I'll leave that one and I'll add my own one. Of course, I can click in here and click on duplicates if I want to. I can click on settings as an example if I want to change the content, change any options about it, to like edit the SEO of it, add any social image, share it maybe as an example to create an email draft or connect some accounts on social media, and also add a location if you have a physical location. I don't know why is that bugged. So other than that, as we said, if we click on plus, you'll have to start one from the beginning. And example, start giving some titles, example, write everything about your blog as an example in here, add your pictures, add your videos if you want. Then of course you can publish it right now, or you can schedule it as you saw before. As you can see, nothing on it right now, so you can go and click on settings, add some images to it as an example, maybe add or search for images somewhere else, post the URL, you'll find authors, source URL, you can change the options of it, SEO ranking of it, and all the other informations about it if you want to. Once you're done, just go back. As you can see on the overview, you'll see it and here, and yeah, you're good to go. Just go back to the home and your blog is ready. As you can see, it's also added to the main navigation. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.